Halo Sobat Gamers, update besar EA Sports FC 25 untuk PS4 akhirnya rilis. Dan kamu wajib tahu, di update versi 1.20 ini, konten baru numpuk. Dari squad data, DLC assets, sampai klub dan pemain legendaris yang pastinya bakal bikin kamu makin betah main. Update ini wajib pakai versi 1.20 ya, karena semua squad data dan DLC assets sudah disesuaikan dengan patch terbaru per 16 April 2025. Yang paling bikin heboh, EA Sports bener-bener all out untuk CONMEBOL Libertadores dan Sudamericana. Tim-tim baru resmi masuk, termasuk Atletico Bucaramanga, Bahia San Antonio Bulo, Sporting Cristal Universidad de Chile, dan banyak lagi untuk Sudamericana. Bikin turnamen jadi makin fresh dan kompetitif. Gak cuma tim baru, kamu juga bakal dapat bola baru, PUMA CONMEBOL. Cumbre SS 25, desainnya keren banget, mirip bola resmi aslinya. Sepatu baru, Nike Mercurial Superfly AM 95. PUMA Future Ultimate FG per AG, Audacity PUMA King Ultra 5 Ultimate FG, Audacity PUMA Ultra 5 Ultimate FG, Audacity. Jadi, siap tampil lebih stylish di lapangan virtual. Dan ini nih yang paling bikin nagih. Ada pemain legendaris yang bisa kamu mainkan di mode karir. Di antaranya Pavel Nedvěd, Kakak, Johan Cruyff, Kenny Dalglish, Birgit Prinz. Lihat cuplikan gameplay Johan Cruyff, bener-bener nostalgia yang epic.
What a chance here. It's there, and it's a goal. That's a real settler for them. Two in front now.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a nice through ball.
Dan jangan lewatkan di akhir video, ada highlights pertandingan final CONMEBOL Libertadores. Adu skill dan tensi tinggi, bikin main makin seru. Jadi, tunggu apa lagi? Pastikan kamu update ke versi 1.20 biar bisa nikmatin semua fitur keren ini. Link download ada di deskripsi. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe biar nggak ketinggalan info update EA FC 25 selanjutnya.
Something special. Stuart, what are you expecting?
Well, I can't wait for this, Derek. Two top-class teams, a magnificent atmosphere and everything to play for. Let's hope we get the game we're expecting.
So we can check on the starting lineup.
Well, in this 4-4-2, they're going to play with a diamond in midfield, which should make them strong in the central area. But they must also make sure they get across the pitch and defend out wide. Otherwise, they're going to encounter problems.
look at the opposition starting lineup today.
Well, although we have it down as a 4-5-1, it's actually more likely to be a 4-2-3-1. They play with 2 holding midfield players, a number 10 and 2 wingers. The system has a nice balance to it.
And this conference... Diorio. Oh, could be! Oh, yes! First to score in this final, and it could be highly significant.
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
And back now with Altamirano. Oh, he's through here. And a goal to increase the lead in this final. Will they be stopped now?
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And then from there, the keeper has little chance. 2-on-1, left completely exposed, and it made for a simple finish in the end.
Diorio. Oh, nice ball. Could be a goal! And it seems they're truly cruising to victory here.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, and when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
Feeding it through. Oh, and it goes! Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
Well, they can keep possession now. And there it is. And now we can say they have won the CONMEBOL Libertadores.
Well, what great scenes these are. Just look at their joy. What excitement we have here.
The South American Club champions. What a lovely ring that has to it, Stuart.
Well, these are great moments for the players, and they fully deserve it. They've been excellent today.
Confirmation of their greatness. They will go into the history books as the winners of a highly prestigious competition.
Well, there's some tired legs out there, but they won't care about that. This is a massive moment for them.
the CONMEBOL Libertadores winners. And they take their celebrating seriously, that we know.
Well, what an achievement. These players deserve so much credit, and now they can go and enjoy it with the fans.
And there is absolutely nothing like drinking it all in with your own fans.
Well, what is great to see, Derek, the players and the fans have a great bond, don't they? And it's brilliant for these supporters. They were so vocal today. They certainly played their part.
Magnificent scenes. These celebrations will run long into the night. And many years from now, fans will look back at these pictures.
So will the players and their families. These are great scenes here.